Hello, Chris. I wonder if you could tell me a little bit about something about yourself.
Sure. I'm Christopher Murphy. I'm the Senior Director for Publications for NAFSA, and I've been with NAFSA for a little over 7 years now. And so my area of coverage with NAFSA is that we do the NAFSA publications, books, brochures, e-publications, and the NAFSA's magazine, International Educator.
Excellent. So if NAFSA is interested in getting involved in publishing, doing a publication, how would they go about that?
There's a set process for doing it. We work through the knowledge communities, the KCs, and the KCs all have a representative in their leadership group that is on the SIM committee, which is the committee that develops publications. So what someone would do is they would go to their KC leadership and say, I've got an idea for a book, say, for example, on study abroad. And they would talk to their KC leaders and say, I've got this idea, here's my idea. It would be a good idea to bring, say, a basic outline of what they're thinking of doing. If the KC leadership thinks that this is a publication that they would like to take forward, they'll take it to their SIM rep. SIM rep takes it to the SIM meeting, which occurs in July of every year. And if it is approved at the July meeting, it is then sent on to the board of directors who will either fund or not fund the project. If it's funded, then it'll happen in the next year.
Excellent. So it's a lengthy process, but a good review.
Absolutely.
Excellent. What about International Educator, the magazine that we have? If someone is interested in publishing an article, writing one, how would they go about that?
We do publish member and non-member submissions. What we ask them to do is there's actually two different ways you can do it. You can either go onto the NAFSA website, where you can there's a form there for submitting a concept for an article, and that would come to either myself or to Elena Loveland, who's the managing editor of the magazine. You can also, if you'd like, contact one of us directly. You can call to the NAFSA office and talk to me, or email me at the NAFSA office. Okay. Same thing for Elena Loveland. We do have a number of columns that are specific to areas that the KCs cover. And we also do larger pieces that are called feature articles. Those articles are broader in coverage, and what we usually do with those is that if you're writing one of those articles, you'd be asked to interview a number of different people in the field in order to get lots of different opinions into it. Those are generally not single opinion pieces.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you for taking the time to talk with me today.
Yeah, glad to do it.